Okay, in this section we're going to have a look at head and base structures and how to trade the apex. So as traders, basically we're doing one of two things. Either we're trying to buy dips or sell rallies in the market, whether that be on a weekly or a 5-minute chart. So basically we're trying to find turning points in the market to buy or sell. So if you think of it like when you're driving a car and you want to make a turn in the opposite direction, you need to slow down, make your turn, and then accelerate in the opposite direction. And it actually happens in a very similar fashion in the Forex market. Occasionally you do get price turning on a dime and heading the other direction, but generally, more often than not, you'll get price slowing down, turning, retesting itself, and then heading back. So if you look here on the screen, I've got quite a few examples just set up on this one chart. You have price heading up and it's forming higher highs. You can see here at no point has a head been formed and a retest happened. But you can see we've definitely come through a resistive area. We've consolidated sideways and we've got a support area. This is called our apex. Price then breaks through there, retests the apex and accelerates in the opposite direction. And then the next trading day we've had a similar thing happen. Price has tried to move lower, is unable to. It pierces the old resistance, retests the apex, will almost missed it by about a pip there, and then accelerates in the opposite direction. The following day, similar scenario. Price consolidates. See, you can see here that at no point has price actually moved back. It's continued to cycle up, making higher highs and higher lows. And then at this point it stalls. So we're on the hourly chart here. So price has stalled, is ranging sideways, has formed a nice apex, which is then broken, retested, and then price continues in the opposite direction. And we've got an even bigger head structure here. We've got a resistive area. Again, price ranging sideways above that, breaks back through, and then accelerates south. So this is a concept that I teach my students in my Forex course, and it does set up on a daily basis across all pairs and does give very good risk to reward ratios. So understanding these on a large scale and on a fractal basis, which is in the smaller time frames, really can lend itself to some great trades. So this is basically just support and resistance, but finding a top or bottom in the market.